Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are enjoying at home. I'm your science teacher and I welcome you for the science class for grade 3. Yes, children, did you remember our topic? Very good, living and non-living, yes? So let's recall whatever we have learned, okay? First of all, the living things need food, water, and air to live. Yes or no? Whereas non-living organism doesn't need all these things. As your example have been given as a puppy, living organism, and a car as a non-living organism. Apart from this, we can take other examples also. In your home, you just see it which one is the living and which one is the non-living thing. And next thing, the animals, otherwise the living organism, what they feel thirsty, whereas non-living organism doesn't. And the living organism can grow in size, whereas non-living organism cannot grow in size. For this, we can take an example. You just keep a picture when you was very small, you see, when you was a 1 year old. So as the time goes on, you just grow bigger. Yes or no? So like that, as a living organism, we grow big, whereas non-living organism doesn't. They'll remain the same. So here, dog, puppy, it can feel the touch, whereas car doesn't. And it can reproduce. Living organism can reproduce. Small puppies, can you see in the picture? Yeah. Whereas car, it means non-living organism, cannot have babies. Yes, they cannot reproduce. And next, it can be has become old and dies. Living organism can become old and dies, whereas non-living organism remains same. That was the living organism and non-living organism differences with example we have seen. Now here some of them examples have been given of natural things also and man-made things. What are the man-made things? Created the things that are created by man, human, man-made. Okay, example: cars, road, trucks, pencil, books. Natural things are it has been are those that are given by nature. Example: plants, animals, sun, moon, and planets. Yes. Now, did you understood better living and non-living thing differences? Now, one more time, we'll recall everything by seeing the differences between living and non-living organism, otherwise things also. Okay. So, first and foremost is the living organism and water and breathe air to live. Yes, we breathe with our nose. Yes, and fish breathe with their gills, and plants breathe through tiny pores on the leaves called stomata. I told you, the small spores are there on the leaf, so it helps in the breathing. Whereas non-living organism do not need food and water. बिना खाए पिए लोग जिंदा रह सकते. Okay, they do not breathe air to live. Second difference is living things like animals can move in search of food, water, and to escape from their enemies. Okay, for example, leopards and buffaloes use their legs to move. Birds and insects fly with wings, and fins and tails help the fish to crawl. Living things like plants cannot move on their own. Okay, now non-living things also cannot move on their own. Here the plants have been given, they cannot move on their own, but they can prepare their own food materials. That's why they are concluded under the living things. Next, third difference is they can respond to changes around them. Here, for example, if anyone pinches you, you will just respond, hey, what you have done? You will just respond them. So that is nothing but responding. You will react the reaction on that reaction. Yes. plants can also react to light, whereas non-living organism, if you'll pinch to that toy also, if you pinch to that teddy, okay, what happens? It doesn't feel it, doesn't cry, it doesn't say anything, it doesn't shout on you. So that is the difference between them. And next, fourth difference is they'll have the babies or they can reproduce. Okay, living organism like animals like lions and deer give birth to cube and fawns respectively. Birds, fish and some other animals also lays eggs. It means they reproduce, whereas the non-living organism cannot have babies or reproduce. Last but not least is the difference, that is the living organism are born, grow in size, grow old, fall sick and finally die. Living organisms such as plants and animals do not get food, air or water. They finally die anyhow. They die. Whereas non-living organism, they do not grow bigger, change in size. They do not die. They break or fade over a period of time. Yes or no? If you'll have the teddy, otherwise if you'll have the car, what happens? It doesn't grow in size and it doesn't die also. If you'll throw here and there, then only tire and everything comes outside. Am I right? So that's it. In today's video, we have learned the differences between living organisms, otherwise living things, or non-living things. Hope you have understood this. We'll continue this one in our next video. Till that time, stay safe, enjoy yourself, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.